चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाएं।
Presenting Toyzone Moto electric bike. Priced at just 2,999 rupees, this stylish red electric bike is designed for kids aged 2 to 8 years. It can handle up to 35 kilograms weight, making it a great option for daily fun rides. It comes with a 6 volts 4.5-hour rechargeable battery that delivers around 1 to 2 hours of smooth riding on a full charge, perfect for playtime and short rides. One of the coolest features is the built-in music system with Bluetooth, USB, and aux support, so kids can enjoy their favorite songs while riding. Musical notes: this bike is designed for beginners with a low-speed motor, push-button start, and foot pedal accelerator, making it super easy and safe to use. It's made from durable non-toxic plastic and comes with wide anti-slip tires that provide better grip and stability for a safe riding experience. You also get LED lights for a stylish look and better visibility, adding to the overall fun experience. And with a 6-month battery warranty, you get added peace of mind along with reliable performance. So, if you're looking for an affordable, feature-packed electric bike for kids, the Toyzone Moto is definitely worth considering. Link to buy is in the description, check it out now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome reviews.
To buy this product, click on the link given in description box below this video. इस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने के लिए वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें।
हेलो दोस्तों, जो भी मेरे इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, मेरा आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। चैनल के ग्रोथ के लिए आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन बहुत ज़रूरी है। प्लीज़ मेरे इस मैसेज को इग्नोर ना करें। थैंक यू।
Your attention please. Your subscription is very important. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. कृपया ध्यान दें, आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।